Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Anum AI. I am Dr. Anum, a PhD scholar and computer science specialist. On this channel, we decode the complex world of artificial intelligence and explore how technology is reshaping our future. Let's dive into today's video. Introduction: The Call to Adventure. Every great discovery begins not with an answer, but with a spark. A single, persistent question that refuses to be ignored. This is the start of the researcher's journey, a transition from the known world into the vast, uncharted territory of the unknown. It is a call to adventure that requires curiosity, courage, and a map that hasn't been drawn yet. Part 1: The Spark of a Question. My research story began in a room much like this one. Looking at the existing data, I realized there was a gap, a pattern waiting to be discovered. This initial phase is about lit review, mapping the lands of those who came before. You gather their findings, identify their limits, and begin to dare to draw your own map toward the treasure. This is where the hypothesis is born, the guiding star for the journey ahead. Part 2: Into the Labyrinth, the Road of Trials. But the path is never a straight line. Entering the labyrinth of experimentation means facing the road of trials. You venture into the wild to test your map, often finding that the terrain is much more complex than anticipated. Deciphering the cryptic runes of raw data analysis requires patience. There are moments of deep uncertainty, what we call the noise or high uncertainty phase. You are surrounded by a maze of conflicting results and technical bottlenecks. In this stage, a researcher often feels like they are wandering in the dark, clutching a lantern of logic, hoping for a breakthrough. Part 3: The Breakthrough, the Ultimate Boon. Then it happens, the aha moment, a sudden insight or realization that resolves a long-standing problem. Look at this visualization. Amidst the chaos, a pattern emerges through constructive interference. The global minimum is located. The pieces of the puzzle finally click into place, revealing a truth that was there all along, just waiting to be seen. This breakthrough is the ultimate boon, the treasure you set out to find. It is a moment of profound clarity that changes everything. Part 4: Sharing the Discovery, the Return. But a discovery kept to oneself is incomplete. The final phase of the journey is the return, sharing what you have found with the world. This is a 4-act process. Act 1: The manuscript. The story of the quest is written down in detail. Act 2: Peer review. The story is challenged by gatekeepers, other experts who test its strength. Act 3: Revisions. The story is refined, strengthened, and polished. Act 4: Publication. The elixir of new knowledge is shared, adding a new branch to the global tree of human understanding. Conclusion: What question will spark your story? The research journey is universal. It is a cycle of seeking, struggling, and eventually finding. By sharing our stories, we inspire the next generation of explorers to look at the world and ask, why? Your journey doesn't end with a publication. It contributes to a powerful partnership between human curiosity and the ever-expanding horizon of knowledge. So I ask you, what question will spark your story? I hope you found this video insightful. If you are passionate about AI, healthcare technology, and professional research, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Anum AI and hit the bell icon for more expert insights. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one. Stay curious.